In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change an x.com or Twitter group into a channel, and the most important thing to know right away is that you cannot directly convert an existing group DM into a broadcast channel. That means if you already have a group chat, there is no one-click button to turn it into a channel. Instead, you need to create a new setup the right way so you can use the channel style feature properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the X app or go to x.com on your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside, look for the chat area. On mobile, this is usually the chat or messages section. Tap chat to open your direct messages and group conversations. This is where you can manage your existing messages and start something new. Now, to create the new conversation setup, click New Chat. This option lets you start from scratch instead of trying to edit an older group. Since X does not allow a direct group-to-channel conversion, starting fresh is the key step here. When the new chat window opens, you'll see options to add people or begin a group. Next, create a group. Add the members you want to include, then continue through the setup. This creates the foundation for your new communication space. If you're aiming for a more channel-like experience, this fresh group is the closest starting point you can build from inside X's current messaging system. It's important to remember that if your goal is a true broadcast-style channel, X's interface and feature availability can change depending on your account, app version, and region. So if you don't see the exact option you're expecting, update the app first and check X's latest messaging features. A lot of users assume an old group can be renamed or converted, but that is not how it works right now. So the simple answer is this: you cannot directly change an X group DM into a channel. What you can do is tap Chat, click New Chat, and create a group as your new starting point. From there, you can organize the conversation the way you want and use the available tools X gives you. If this tutorial saved you time, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot, and it tells me to keep making simple step-by-step guides like this. 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.